Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So a while back, when Google first introduced the bookmarks in the side panel in Chrome for desktop, they used to have a tree view in the side panel for your different bookmarks, which gave you the option to expand and collapse multiple folders in the same view. And then Google removed the tree view for some reason. And I think it's to do because there were quite a lot of extensions that could get the job done. Now, just to let you know that it seems now that Google is going to be reintroducing the tree view for bookmarks in the side panel. And they're going to be adding it when using compact mode. So if you are using visual view, it won't apply, only using compact mode. Now, this is all according to a new flag that's become available in Chrome Canary 134, which is the latest preview version. So if we head into our experimental flags page in Canary and we just type in tree, here's the flag, top Chrome bookmarks tree view. Show the bookmark side panel in a tree view while in compact mode. So if we change that from default to enabled, relaunch the browser, as always, that will apply the flag. And now if we pop back to our favorites in the side panel, we can see now I can collapse and expand that folder at the top, which obviously is the only one that's pertaining to my bookmarks in Chrome Canary. And as mentioned, it only works when in compact view and compact mode. So if you go to visual view, you can see no tree view. Back to compact view in compact mode, there's the tree view. Now, I think this is a small yet significant change, because if you are using your bookmarks in the side panel, it's going to make it easier to navigate and manage your bookmarks, especially if you are one of those users who has many folders for your bookmarks and so on. So there we go. Tree view could be on its way back, and obviously I'll keep my ears to the ground with this one and let you know if I see that rolling out to stable. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.